Mommy, put big rocks pebbles up the water.
Okay, big rock in the water. Whoa! Nice toss.
Mommy, what's it?
Okay. Good toss, Seth. Hey, Nada, what was the one you wanted to show me?
Oh, I threw it in.
Oh, you threw it in?
It's okay.
Okay. Gonna throw a rock in the water, Code? All right.
This rock.
Yeah.
I did a high one.
Look at this. It looks solid.
I found a really
It's
good
actually-
skip. I have a really good skipping stone.
Me too.
Go find it. Go find it. You can find it. Nada's sweatshirt is on top of it. You see the white? Don't know? There you go. There it is. There's your chair. Yeah. Nice throw, Cody.
Oh,
Did you find a rock? Oh, the frog. Look, frog. Yeah. You did splash yourself.